you children for joining back. So I was just showing them the Ashokan pillars. See, this is one Ashokan pillar which is still there, which has not been destroyed with time. See, this is a picture of the Ashokan pillar. And with the lion on top, lion was a symbol that was used. And you can see these pillars had the writings, the messages of Lord Buddha was, he spread it all around and he wrote it on these pillars. There were writings on these pillars about, also on the stupa body, on the body of the stupas. So this is how Buddhism spread. And even many years later on, you will see they could, what should I say? The followers, the Buddhism became very famous, and they still practiced the teaching of Buddha. And this became our national emblem. Also, a very interesting fact is, this is our national emblem on any document, on any Indian official document, like India's passport, like India's
Points also.
Find this present. And one very interesting fact, again related to Buddhism, is something again we all know about, our India's flag. Have you seen India's flag? What is there in the middle?
Yes, ma'am. Ashok Chakra.
The Ashok Chakra is there. Now this chakra has been influenced, by Buddhism. If you ever do research on Ashok Chakra, you will find out, I gave this as a research work to children last year or last year, I forgot, on Buddhism and Jainism. This was their research topic, that find out a little bit about the Ashok Chakra. And they found out, and we discussed all this in class, that the Ashok Chakra is a symbol of related to Buddhism only. Each spike of the chakra, each spike of the chakra symbolizes one particular value that the Indian citizens are supposed to follow. And it has been selected on our national flag to promote India's, it's one impact was so that they now promote that India believes in the path of non-violence. India is not a country, you will never see India has ever attacked any country first. It has fought wars, definitely, but it has fought wars to defend itself. It has never gone ahead and attacked any country, breaking, trying to get their land or so. Every war that India has fought was to defend itself from outside attack. And the Ashok Chakra shows India's belief in the values of Buddhism, that is non-violence, that is equality. That is what our constitution upholds, because Baba Saheb Ambedkar, or B.R. Ambedkar, he was a very big believer in in Buddhism. Okay, B.R. Ambedkar, he was a very big believer in Buddhism. So when he made the Constitution of India, he was born in a lower caste. So he knew how it felt, how bad to be treated, with those discriminations and all, and how bad it felt when you are treated that way. So the Ashok Chakra and our constitution promotes equality, tolerance, all these values. The Ashok Chakra is a symbol which upholds the values of Buddha. That is still, it says that we are living in the land of Buddha, and we are tolerant towards everyone, and we should follow non-violence. Of course, then again, people do fight, nothing can be done about it, but this is what our basic belief is. This is what India is all about as well. Okay, so a little bit of questions. Now, do you want to do a small chat box quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A small chat box quiz then. Mix up of Yes, Rajoshi?
Ma'am, I was just telling that if I switch on my video, it's becoming full black.
Okay,
It's a
okay.
bad name.
You answer
Yes,
now.
it's
Now we
video.
have finished more or less the teaching part,
Yeah,
so no problem. Let's see how much you have followed. The word Jainism has come from which word? Very good. Shejuti,
Please
Shrihan,
repeat.
all giving correct answers.
Ma'am, why are you giving? Why?
Arush,
Keep it loud.
Jainism has come from which word? It is Jagrihit Jina. Jina. Yes, it is Jina. From Jina, the word Jainism. Next question. I'll give you a question like this. State true or false. Lord Mahavira is considered to be the first Tirthankara. Good. Absolutely. Arush, where was your attention? He's the first.
Can you repeat
He's
the question?
24th. Jivant.
Ma'am, I wrote
Lord,
something.
state
Ma'am, he
true
is
or
the
false?
24th. Before it was 23.
It is believed that there were 23 other Tirthankaras before him. Now, next question is, tell me, Prince Siddharth came to be known as Lord Buddha. What does Buddha mean?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Prince Siddharth came to be known as Lord Buddha. What does the Buddha mean? Very good. Shrihan, Arush, Shuvipro, Soham, Grihit, Abhigyan, Adiva, not intelligent. Intelligent is not the answer. No. Yes, Roy, Avipsha, Riddhiman, Moinak, Anushka. Nirvana is when he became, Nirvana is when a person, dies, then we say that. Yes, Shejuti, all these children have done it correct. It is the enlightened one. Buddha means the enlightened one. Now, next question. What is the second stage in the life of an Aryan?
And can you repeat the question?
Very good, Soham. What is the second stage in the life of an Aryan? What is the name? You cannot write married life. That is we say that now. Yes, it is Grihastha. Grihastha is the word.
I totally forgot this one.
Grihapati, not Alina has got near. Grihapati writes Grihastha. Grihastha is the word.
Spelling is wrong.
Next question is the kings came to be known by big names during the later Vedic period. The kings took great titles during the later Vedic period. Can you give one title? Yes, Nehal. Yes, Grihit. Troi correct. Soham correct. Yes. Riddhiman, Shrihan. Avipsha correct. Maharaja, Dhiraja, Samrat. Yes. You can take some also came to be known as Chakravarti Samrat. That is, those who conquered the other kings as well. Okay. Now, can you tell me, true or false, the position of women, the position of women declined during the later Vedic age, and they had to stay inside the homes doing household work. True. Okay, good. Absolutely, it is true. Next question. Name one Name one neighboring country of India where Buddhism spread. Correct, Riddhiman? Okay, okay. All correct answers coming. Yes, yes, yes. All correct answers. Bhutan. It is Bhutan. Central Asia is far. Don't write Central Asia, Ujan. Central Asia it's a big part. You have to tell the country. This is what I'm saying. Be specific. Tell the country. Country of India. Okay.
Ma'am,
Neighboring country of India.
is Nepal the correct answer?
All Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, or Burma. If you write, then you can write Sri Lanka. You can write Afghanistan. All are correct answers. Okay, so these are all taken as correct answers. Now, when Lord Buddha left home, you know, he saw 4 things. What is that incident known as? Yes, Abhigyan, correct. Yes,
Please wait a
yes.
minute. This will take a lot of time to write.
No, what are the 4? What is that known as? It's one name. It's not stages of life. No, no, no. Not stages of life.
What stage of life?
No, that is why it's not stages of life.
I mean, mine.
Not 4
mine
noble
correct.
truths. It is the 4 great
confused.
sides.
Great
It's called by
So
the name of
confused.
4 great sides. Yes. Okay. Now, next question is, Lord Mahavira was born. Lord Mahavira was born in which state? In which current state of India? Yes, very good. All correct answers coming, but those who have started with a small letter gets a 0. Gujarat, it spread to Gujarat. It spread to Gujarat. Jainism spread
Ma'am,
to
I wrote the
Western
full thing.
India.
Bihar.
It is Bihar. Kundagrama. Now, only writing Kundagrama, it will be wrong in this case because I asked which state. Yes, it is absolutely, it is Bihar. Okay, next question. One similarity between Hinduism and Buddhism and Jainism is that one similarity between Hinduism and Buddhism and Jainism is that all 3 believed in idol worship. True or false? If false,
False.
correct the false part. If false, correct the false part. True. All 3 believed in idol worship. Think.
No, no, no.
If
no,
you
no,
are
no,
writing false, then what part is false? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Please wait a minute. Right.
Riddhiman, it has
Ma'am, I
come.
wrote.
Very good. Very good. Shrihan, it has come. Very good. Snehal, correct. Abhigyan, correct. Absolutely. Rihit, correct.
Mine correct.
Avipsha means.
False, quite a few have written, but what is it? Correct. Shubhipro, very good.
Ma'am, but I
Pujan,
written
they
false in
they
one.
worship forces of nature. Who is this they? Which they are you talking? They means Buddhism, they means Jainism, they means Hinduism. You have to, this is why I say, don't start an answer with they. Yes, yes, Buddhism and Jainism did not believe in any kind of idol worship, and Hinduism did. They made gods and goddesses out of forces of nature and they started praying to them. During the later Vedic age, a trinity of gods got importance. Who are those 3 gods?
But how many we will give?
3. Trinity. Yes, yes, Riddhiman, Abhigyan, Avipsha 1 correct. Avipsha, the other 2 has also come. Arush correct. Other 2 think. Suham correct. Yes, Anushka, Moinag, all coming correct. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Ayushman Datta, later Vedic age. Agni, Vayu, Surya, early Vedic age. Agni, Vayu, Surya, Indra, Surya, all this early Vedic. Revise.
Yes, ma'am.
If you
Shiva
don't
the destroyer,
revise-
Brahma the creator, and Vishnu the preserver.
Yes. Next,
Ma'am, I also wrote
the
the same.
discovery.
The early Vedic.
The discovery of which metal during the later Vedic age helped in making better weapons?
Ma'am,
Shejuti, first correct answer and only correct answer till now. The discovery of which metal during the later Vedic age helped in making better weapons? All wrong. Only Shejuti correct.
ma'am, I have to read this chapter very well. I forgot.
Yes, finally, Moinak, another answer. Grihit. Now, Shubham, Shubhipro, all looking. Yes, now. Yes, it is iron. All other wrong. Sure, iron.
Ma'am, at first I
Iron.
wrote copper.
Iron or Sham?
Ma'am, I don't bronze.
Okay, children.
He also wrote copper.
Then I wrote bronze and copper.
I
I
first
said
wrote bronze and
later
then
Vedic
wrote
age.
iron.
Later Vedic age. Okay, last question. The students in during the later Vedic age, after they finished their education, gave what to their gurus? Very good. Gave the full Gurukul. Can it be that they gave the Gurukul to the Guru? Guru Dakshina. Very good. Animals. Yeah, animals was a form of Guru Dakshina. But you have to write Guru Dakshina.
Barter system.
Barter system was there. Yes, barter system was there. Now,
Ma'am, only
one more
Dakshina will
question can be. One more question can be. Lord Buddha's teachings are compiled in 3 parts. What are they called? What are they called? Abhigyan, you typing error. Yeah, Troy correct. Troy very good. Shejuti correct. Grihit, okay. I'll accept that. Any proper name, Abhigyan correct. Riddhiman correct.
Ma'am,
Sneha
can you
correct.
repeat the
So,
question?
the Lord Buddha's teachings are compiled, are combined and kept in, preserved in 3 parts. What are they called?
Ma'am, I
They are
think I
the
could write the
Tripitakas.
name.
Very good. The Tripitakas.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote 3 baskets.
3 baskets. Tripitakas means the 3 baskets. If you write 3 baskets, I'll not give you 0. Of course not. It's the Tripitakas.
Ma'am,
So it's
ma'am,
the
I
proper
wrote 3
word. Use
baskets.
this word. Last questions. Lord Mahavira preached in which language?
Kalyan Prakrit.
Shrihan correct. Shejuti correct. Troy correct. Soham correct. Snehal correct. Riddhiman correct.
I
Aviksha,
don't write it.
no. You have to particularly tell. Ayushman correct. It is only Prakrit, not
Ma'am,
Pali.
I wrote Pali by mistake.
Pali
Personally.
was Lord
What is the
Buddha.
meaning of preach? Ma'am, what is
Yes,
the meaning
Lord
of preach?
Buddha taught in Pali. So like this, I want you to be very thorough with the chapters. You will be having a Vicon test. Sorry, I took up a little extra time, but next week, the history class, you are not having the live class. You'll just give your test. Okay?
Ma'am, it's okay.
Bye. See you again tomorrow
Bye,
with
ma'am.
geography.
Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, have a safe and happy journey.
ma'am.
Thank you. I'll meet you tomorrow. Geography.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, on the